How to activate your Wells Fargo debit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can activate your Wells Fargo debit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Activate Wells Fargo debit card. Then you'll find Wells Fargo's website. Let's head over to the first one. So here it teaches you how you can activate your debit card. As it says, it's really easy. First, you will need to, scan your code with your mobile phone to activate your debit card. So you can choose any one of these here. Activate your card online through Wells Fargo mobile app. Simply log in into your Wells Fargo account and navigate to card activation. So you can do that as well if you're using the mobile app for Wells Fargo. And other than that, if you prefer, you can activate your card by calling Wells Fargo as well. So just call to this number, and after you call to this number, you'll have to give your card number to your customer service. And after you give your card's number to your customer service, they will activate your card for you. And it's basically that simple. So there are three ways you can do so. One is by scanning the code from your mobile phone. The other is going through the Wells Fargo's mobile app. Or you can simply head over and call to the customer service and give them your Wells Fargo's card number and they will activate it for you. And that's how easy it is, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.